So today we're going to fix the Performance Health tri-wheel cable braked walker. So we're going to try and fix the wheel because the wheel has come off, the bearing's completely shattered, so we're going to see if we can change it and fix it back together. So we've got the wheel and the bearing's completely gone, so what I'm going to try and do is I found some old scooter tyres and the outside one is rusted, so I pulled out the inside one, which works well, and we're just going to take this one out as well. Just going to get the good one out of this side because the other side is rusted as well, so we've got two good bearings inside that I think we can use. Okay, so we've got two new bearings, and I just need to get this ring out where the old bearing was. Obviously be careful because you don't want to hurt yourself, but there you go, that's out. And now we've got an empty wheel and we can push these bearings in. Then we'll do the other side. Now we have the wheel with the bearings. If you don't have scooter wheels lying around, you can get bearings online. They're sort of a couple of quid, so just measure up, order them, and you can replace the tyre. So here we've got the wheel that needs putting on this section here, and we're just going to thread the bolt through. Wheel on. Oh, hold on, I have a couple of washers that need to go on first, then the wheel, and then two more washers, and then the bolt, the nut. So the nut is a 13, I've got a 13 spanner. Little tip, I bought a whole spanner set quite a while ago, and 13 is pretty much the only one you ever use. For some reason, all nuts are 13, so just save yourself some money, go on eBay, buy a couple, and you're done. So we just tighten this up. It's too tight. There you go, I've loosened it off a bit because it was too tight, it wasn't turning. And we're done, so now we're going to test it out. Now for a bit of a pre-flight test. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Got some good action there, a bit of spinning. Brakes are good. Brownie points from the mother-in-law because this is her walker that's fixed, and jobs are good and really, and you can get some pretty good speed up. It's pretty handy actually. There's a little bag in the front to keep your purse and stuff, so yeah, pretty nifty. I might actually have to get one myself. In fact, you could have a little, this could double up as a little ice box. You could have a few beers in there when you go down the shops. Every so often you fancy a beer, just pop it open. Perfect.
I hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe and check back for more videos. Thanks, bye.